to the restroom a lot, like for longer periods of time than normal?
I didn't notice it happened to me. I just don't think about a lot of it because of the time. Basically, I'm just doing what I have to do, I guess. But I was something that she spent a lot of time with after we were married. I don't know.
After that she had ever had
Issues.
to look at the time to the restroom.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.